If you are sick and tired of working at a job that you hate, you finally want to make a great living doing what you want to do, have freedom to spend time with who you want to spend time with, this video will truly change your life. I have been on YouTube for a few years. My other channel has right under 60,000 subscribers. It's fully monetized. And my first channel that I ever started actually got a community guideline strike. Got up to about 13,000 subscribers, had to start over. And my other channel, I've had it for less than a year. Now, the other channel got monetized about 9 months after I started, but I actually got monetized in about 3 months. And I say that because it took me about 6 months to really get the groove of it and really understand how YouTube works. But once I went all in and started at my 90-day mark and really went all in for it, I was able to get monetized. And I started this channel as a case study, but also to give value. And to make this process even faster, one of the secrets that I've been using for years is AI. And right now, AI is becoming more popular than ever. And if you want to grow faster without guessing, and maybe you don't know the questions to ask, or you don't know what kind of content to make, or you don't know how to pick a good title, I want to help you with that. In today's video description, you can get my free custom GPT, my free YouTube growth coach that you can download, start using right now. It's way better than just ChatGPT. It's tailored for YouTube growth, and it will save you so much time and help you to grow faster. Like I said, it's free. Grab it in the description below. If you want to grow on YouTube, you don't need more hashtags, more SEO, and you don't need a new channel banner or some kind of cool name. Really, all you have to do is just master a few principles. Because the way the algorithm is in 2025, it's interest-based. So does SEO descriptions matter? Yeah, they can help. Do tags matter? I think they help a little bit. Do keywords matter? Do hashtags matter? Maybe. Keywords matter? Sure. But content is king. And if you can get really clear on who your avatar is, instead of just niching down, get really clear on who you're trying to serve, what value you're bringing to the marketplace, whether that's entertainment, whether that's education, whatever it is, everyone is watching you on YouTube for them, not you. Think about it. Whether you're out to eat and your kids are acting up and you give them the phone to watch Miss Rachel, the value she's bringing is educating and entertaining your kids. If you're scrolling and just doom scrolling and you got to kill 15 minutes, the value that the creators that you're watching are bringing is just entertainment. So whatever it is, it's all for a purpose. And if you can create your channel around one purpose, bringing value and really delivering on that in every single way possible, helping your viewer to get away from pain, to get a certain goal, to accomplish something, and you're taking them on a journey through your content, you are going to be successful. And the more crystal clear that you can get on who your content is for, who you're making it for, you are going to have a way better chance at success. And this took me so long to realize this. And the other thing that really took me so long to realize is I don't have to recreate the wheel every time that I want to make a video. So once you find out who your videos are for, the kind of videos that you want to make, and who your target audience is, like your avatar, look at competitors in your niche. See what they're doing, copy it, but here's the secret no one talks about: taste. Don't just copy and paste, copy it and put your own taste and unique spin on it. You can copy any video that is doing great in any niche, bring it into your niche, see what worked in a video, put your own unique taste and spin on it, and I promise you that video will have a better chance of going viral, or viral for you or just getting more views compared to your channel average, than any other video that you want to make. So yes, you should be original and have original content, but your ideas and pulling things and having inspiration from successful channels and successful videos is the best way to get ahead. And if you can take some extra time and research this before you hit record, I promise you, you're going to have a way better chance of growing on YouTube and start building the life that you're capable of building, the life that's truly going to bring you fulfillment. Because I am all for YouTube and I love YouTube, and I've been on YouTube for years and I'm monetized, and it's great just to get paid just for nothing every month, just for making content about what I love to talk about. But having a product to serve my audience, you guys, at a deeper level is truly way more fulfilling. And while YouTube is great, it's a vehicle to use for my purpose. So what I feel led to do, what I feel called to do in life, what I feel that I'm good at, my God-given purpose, I'm actually able to put that on YouTube like a vehicle, like a car that just takes off and goes and delivers it to the masses. And the more crystal clear and the better that I can tell my vehicle, aka YouTube, who this video is for, who it needs to reach, and then I can make it for my viewer. It can drive it to them, they can watch it, and they're going to want to watch it all the way through because it's something that they care about. And that's how I want you to look at it. Don't look at YouTube as the end goal. Look at YouTube as the foundational platform on which your brand is built. And it's also the carrier. So it's the vehicle that your mission is able to be carried out and accomplished by. But you need to be getting crystal clear on who your videos are for and really hammering down on that. And one of the best ways to do that and captivate and hold attention is by starting with an engaging hook and really piquing the curiosity of your viewers so they're going to want to watch the rest of your video. And if you want help doing that, make sure and watch this video, and I'll see you over there.